Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are doing good. And today in this video, I wanted to share top 4 habits of women who ages slow. Now, yes, I see a lot of people are searching about how to get rid of fine lines, wrinkles, or people who are just entering in their late 20s. They want to know how to get rid of these fine lines and wrinkles and how to slow up their aging process. So I thought, why not make a video on the same topic and share it with you guys. So without further ado, we are quickly gonna be diving in. Now guys, the first one is gonna be the face massage. Now there are various articles and there are various techniques by which people do face massage. Yes, we go and take facial every now and then, but facial massage is totally different from that. So you can either use a jade roller or a gua sha, and what it does is, when people are using it for a long period of time, they are able to see some amazing results on their skin. It helps in fading away the fine lines and wrinkles you have on your face. So basically it helps in improving the circulation in your skin, and also it helps in promoting lymph drainage. Now if you have accumulated lymph under your skin on your face, it can make your face appear very dull. Now this whole process of face massaging is gonna drain out that lymph, helps in promoting blood circulation, and it also helps in fading away the fine lines and wrinkles you have on your face. Now guys, I want to introduce you all to this newly launched products by Lotus Herbals, which is going to be their Youth RX range. So first of all, I apply this Youth Activating Serum, which helps in regenerating the skin cells and provide optimum hydration to your skin, and it also helps in combating the signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. And because I have entered in my late 20s, so it is very essential that you start taking care of your skin. I love the moisturized and hydrated effect this serum gives me. After that, I follow it up with the Youth RX Transforming Day Cream, which consists of revolutionary development in skin science, and it is especially curated for combination to oily skin type. And this also has anti-aging properties, which helps in making your skin firm, adds skin elasticity, and helps in accelerating lifting. And I love the effect this cream gives me. It not only helps in hydrating the face, it also helps in moisturizing it. Last but not the least guys, I use this anti-aging transforming night cream, which has the goodness of Ginplex Youth compound, which is derived from the natural ingredients, and they are clinically proven for lifting, firming, and skin elasticity. I use this cream every night to get beautiful, glowing, and firm skin every day. So make sure that you check the links in the description box below. Next would be using a good face pack. Now we are entering towards summers. Now it is a perfect weather to make those amazing DIY packs which are available at home, and it is definitely gonna give you some marvelous results. So I like to use a Upton pack which has gram flour, or you can go for a fuller earth pack. When you use this face mask, you will be able to see your skin instantly brightening up because it has aluminium, it has silica, iron oxide, magnesium, calcium, and whatnot. All of these are great things which helps in cleaning up your skin inside and out. It is also very popular when it comes to removing the suntan. So yes, when you use it, you will be able to see your skin all stretched up. So yes, when you use it, you will be able to see some amazing results. Your skin is clean, it is glowing, and it is very beautiful. It also helps in define the signs of aging. Last but not the least is gonna be guys, hydration. Now drinking lots of water and also hydrating your skin. Now I'll talk about how to drink water. Now if you drink 8 glasses of water every day, it is gonna show up on your skin. Now what water does, it helps in flushing out the toxins from your body, and when you do not have any kind of toxins in the body, it is definitely gonna slow up the process of aging for you. Also you're gonna feel more healthier, and when you are healthy, it shows up on your skin. Also guys, when you are washing your face and you pat it dry, just do not pat it dry 100%, just keep it little damp, and then you make sure that you are applying any kind of hydrator on your skin. It can be rose water, it can be aloe vera gel, or any kind of toner that you guys are using, and then apply a moisturizer over it. So it is going to be very essential that you take care of all these things which I have just told you in this video. These are very simple, and doing these simple things in your daily routine is going to give you some amazing results over a long period of time. I really hope that you find the tricks helpful, guys. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you guys so much.